I love my job. Every day I wake up and I can't wait to come to work because every day is different. Started off as a maintenance assistant and then I was promoted to assistant maintenance manager, and then I went for the job at the Queen's Hotel and became maintenance manager there, and then this job came up and here I am.
I believe it was one kind of jobs what I can do without any English here and without any experience.
My day-to-day tasks are keeping the hotel compliant, maintaining the building and the grounds, refurb departments, paint areas, room PPM checks, waste management and energy efficiency.
I really like my job, what I'm doing now. I'm feeling strong here.
Beauty of my job that I get to speak to everyone in every department, the whole hotel. Every department is my department.
We can learn everything in our lives. If you are a hard-working person,
get a trade, be a joiner, electrician, heating engineer. Love what you do, be practically minded and just go for it, go for a job. Get a job as a maintenance assistant and work your way up.